Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're talking about wig adjustment. So the first thing you want to do is to size up the wig from ear to ear. Use a comb to section out the part covering your ear, starting from your side bones. So you're going to keep repeating this until your line is straight enough. Then you go down, go behind the ear, like craft it down your ears, because you want that area also to be free. Okay guys, you will need a hair clip to keep your hair from getting in the way, just like so. Okay, now that I think my line is straight enough, I'm going to take it down just behind my ears. I'm just using my ear as a guide because all I do is around that ear. So I'm taking out any hair covering my ears from the beginning to the back of the ear, just like drawing a semi. Just like imagine that you're drawing a semicircle from your side bones down to the back of your ear. I don't know if you get my explanation, but just watch and see. Okay guys, time to take out the excess lace covering the ears. So it's basically the same thing with when I use the comb to like section out the part I'm going to take out. So just use a scissors or whatever you want to use to like go in the same direction. So this is one of the ways I use in cutting out the excess lace covering my ears. I do have another one, so I'm going to be showing you that soon, so stay tuned. Okay, you can do this on your head and off your head, like on a dummy head. So whichever way that is comfortable for you, just do it. So I'm just doing this on my head. Maybe the next one I'm going to do, the next method I'll be showing you, I'm going to show you the method of on my head. I'm going to be showing you on a wig head. So whichever one that is more comfortable for you, just do it. So guys, at this point, never ever cut the frontal where the lace is the darkest. The edge of the lace. So guys, if you got this far, please like this video, comment on it, and share with your friends. And most importantly, please subscribe to my channel, because I'll be bringing you things like this and a whole lot of other things that you probably don't care about, but I will share with you anyways. So we're on to the second ear now, so please forgive me. I didn't even know I didn't hit the record button when I did this. So it's basically the same method I did here. The same process, everything the same thing like I did from the first ear. So please just bear with me and just repeat the same thing on this side of the ear. I made this wig myself, so I'm going to leave the link to the wigging in the description box below, just in case you want to check it out. So this is how the both sides are looking right now. I went ahead to install this wig, so I'm going to leave a card up just in case you want to see how I do my installation. And if you haven't subscribed yet or liked this video, please do so. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.